So Stork changed the recipe, and I'm here to give you an updated red velvet cake recipe made from Stork Margarine. I've been using Stork for a long time now, and the previous ingredient listing included buttermilk. In recent times though, the buttermilk in the ingredient listing has been completely removed, making it an all-inclusive vegan and dairy-free recipe. But what does that mean for fellow bakers? Well, some complain it is too greasy and have had to switch brands. But others like myself have been okay with it because personally I make and adapt my own recipes. The good news, however, is that I get to share these with you, and so this is my very simple red velvet cake recipe made from Stork, and I hope you find it useful. I have a video linked up here somewhere on this channel where I show you how to make a red velvet cake, but this is very much an adapted version with some changes and a bit more information to help you. So let's get right into it. The ingredients I have here include some Stork margarine, sugar, eggs, buttermilk, red food coloring. Over here I am using the sugar flair extra red in paste form. There is also self-raising flour, cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, cider vinegar and pure vanilla extract, which is very important. I use self-raising flour here, which comes pre-mixed with leavening agent, so I do not have to use any more rising agents such as baking soda and baking powder. The list of ingredients, notes and extra resources are found in the description box with a bit more information to help you, so please do check it out. So in a stand mixer, I'll add the Stork margarine to caster sugar and a splash of pure vanilla extract and leave this to cream. You will find 2 tablespoonfuls listed in the description box below, but over here I just like to splash a little bit more. I'll set this to cream for up to a total of 6 minutes at 2-3 minute intervals. Occasionally I'll stop to scrape the sides of the glass bowl to bring the mixture together, and over time you'll see the sugar and margarine mixture turn from yellow to pale off-white color. After 6 minutes of creaming the Stork and sugar, I observe a pale cream mixture with a soft consistency. Now it's time to add the eggs. Well, it looks like I have to open the fill hole first, something I missed, but over here we show our mistakes. So finally I get it right, and the eggs are added in the cream mixture slowly through the fill hole over the splash guard. When mixing in the eggs, it's important to slow down the mixer so the eggs are not overbeaten. Overbeating the eggs on high can lead to a few issues including tunneling, but that's a lesson for another day. On this mixer, which is the K-Mix type KMX75, a low speed of 1 to 1.5 is the best for adding in the eggs. The creaming of the Stork and sugar was done at medium-high speed of number 3.5, but for better results, do check your mixer setting and speed regulator. I have combined the flour and cocoa powder to salt, and will alternate this with the buttermilk, which also has the red food coloring and cider vinegar mixed into it. The cocoa powder here adds a rich note to the cake, and salt enhances the taste. Alternating the flour and buttermilk ensures the milk is absorbed thoroughly into the batter. The red food coloring is added to the buttermilk because the food coloring in paste form mixes easily with the buttermilk. Buttermilk done and the last of the self-raising flour added, I scrape the sides of the bowl to mix the batter together and set the bowl back onto the mixer to fold for a few seconds. The fold function on this K-Mix is helpful for mixing the batter together without the risk of overmixing at all. The red velvet cake batter is mixed now. I will split this between 2 6-inch pre-lined baking tins, filling the tins just shy of 4 inches. The lip of the baking liners will hold the rise of the cake, so essentially these cakes will bake at 4 inches deep. I'll stamp the tins on a flat surface to rid of extra air bubbles and set this to bake in a preheated convection fan oven at 170 degrees Celsius for up to an hour and an hour 15 minutes. There's information in the description box which gives you a bit more information on the different quantities needed for a 5 and 7-inch tins, so please do check these out. out. The cakes are done now, and I've returned from the oven a little bent on the sides. But that is because I got distracted and left my cakes to overrun in time, but we're just going to ignore that. The cakes are cool now, and I am leveling them to reveal a rich, indulgent red velvet cake ready for layering. This cake was made into a beautiful christening cake, and here's in part what the customer's feedback was. The red velvet cake, oh my lord, yum. And there you have it. Try it and let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them. Do like and share this video, and do check these videos here for some beginner friendly videos to help you level up your baking skills. I'll be back next week with more videos. Thanks for watching.